Hello, my name is Dwi Kurniawan. My research topic is implementation and analysis of the Ether channel technology using PAGP and LAGP protocol on Cisco switch devices. This is my profile in Cinta, and this is a profile in Google Scholar. My research focus are information system, mobile for gaming, computer network, and multimedia learning. Okay, in the research introductions, large-scale computer network at internet service provider company or telecommunication operator require high performance due to the increasing complexity of services and increasing user. Network performance is often getting weaker. This problem requires good network equipment and require the correct configuration to improve the performance of the installed devices. The increasing number of users and the needs for equipment to meet the needs of large-scale computer network, for example, related to multimedia services, require efficient bandwidth allocation to improve the video on demand. Bandwidth allocation generally require a scheduling algorithm so that it will be effective in enhancing server services. Research motivation. This paper tries configuration to improve the performance of the installed devices by Ether channel implementation. In previous research, Ether channel using LCP can make the flow table more effective regarding the number of stream entries than carried on Ether channel technology. As a result, server application using FTP to exchange data and VLC software for video streaming service can increase network throughput value parameters. In this research, the author will focus on using and comparing Ether channel technology implement directly to Cisco device on company LAN network in Batam. The following implementation will use a hierarchy topology, and there is a core switch, which is a layer 3 switch, which function as inter-VLAN routing on LAN network. The test will be using the PAGP protocol or port aggregation protocol and LACP link aggregation control protocol. The purpose of using these two protocols is to compare network performance. If the PAGP protocol option is used, which is a standard from Cisco, and LACP, which is a standard from IEEE. Research method. In topology, we use Ether channel technology, which use two physical ports to connect to each distribution switch. Then, the connection from the distribution switch to the core switch also use fiber optic with two physical ports. By using two physical ports, the bandwidth will be double, namely 2 gigabytes per second. Ether channel performance analysis was carried on each LHCP and PHCP protocol, namely regarding network quality. FileZilla will be used to enable FTP, and then the server computer profile provide file will varying size ranging from 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, and 100 megabyte. The file will be accessed and downloaded by the client computer. Network performance measure is done using Wireshark software, parameter of share, delay, jitter, packet loss, and throughput. This research apply directly to Cisco device. This is a Cisco Catalyst 3 device. In software, I use PuTTY, iPerf, and Wireshark, and the protocol PGP and LSCP. This is in PGP protocol. There are two modes can be used, namely desirable and auto. This is a configuration PGP protocol, and this is a configuration in LSCP protocol. There are two port modes used by protocol, namely active and passive mode. And the last configuration step is to enable trunk mode on both switch port, resulting from the matching process between server port. Okay, in the result, data transfer services from the graph. So in figure 4, it can be seen that the jitter value obtained when using PGP and LCP protocol are relatively the same, even though by increasing the data size. The larger the data provided, the jitter value is also smaller than when using smaller data. Nevertheless, the jitter value obtained in this test is still in a perfect or good range with a standard of under 74 millisecond. Figure 5, in measuring packet loss, both get perfectly shot. If you see the standard set by ETSE, which is under 2 milliseconds. However, when compared between the two protocol, the PGP protocol is likely superior to the LCP protocol when the total packet loss value of PGP is 0.7%, while LCP is 1.16%. And then video streaming services. The next test is streaming video services. Retrieval of streaming data start from the client computer to the server using VLC software. To get the delay value, still use the Wireshark software. Data was collected on the client computer 3 times. They were using 100 megabytes video file run on the server computer and then accessed by the client computer connect to the access switch. The following is a table of result of testing delay and jitter when using stream video. The delay and jitter test for video streaming services is carried out 3 times on one data size, namely 100 megabytes. In all 3 tests, the LCP protocol get a lower delay and jitter value than the PGP protocol. And the three, testing of throughput parameter. Figure 8, testing by testing is done 3 times, while the file use are one file with 2 gigabytes. It can be seen that in the FTP throughput test, the PHP protocol look better than when using the LCP protocol. For example, the PHP protocol gets a throughput value 83.5 megabytes, while the LACP protocol get 76.6 megabits. Figure 9 compare the throughput value when the network is activated. The file size of the video that is deployed on the server computer set is 70 megabytes. The file is then accessed by the client computer using VLC software, where such software is also activated on the client computer set so to calculate the throughput value. Figure 9 so that two protocol appear to be able to do their job well. The PHP and LCP protocol both get the same throughput of 3.8 megabit. QoS analysis summary. This section contain a summary of the PHP and LCP testing protocol tested before. The measurement result will be taken as the average value, then compiled with the standard issued by ETC. For more details, see table. It is PHP and LCP protocol. A conclusion. Based on result of network testing of the Ether channel technology using the PHP and LGP protocol, the results show that these technologies can improve network performance when viewed from the parameter of delay, jitter, packet loss, and throughput. When the two protocols were compared, the PHP protocol was still considered between in FTP, file transfer protocol services, since from delay, jitter, packet loss, and FTP throughput. But in testing video streaming services, since from the delay, jitter, and throughput of video streaming, the LCP protocol get better result than the PHP protocol. The PHP protocol can provide better network performance improvement, especially when using it for data sharing FTP services. However, when used for video streaming services, the LCP protocol performs slightly better. Okay, thank you.